How do you take ordinary, real, everyday stories and turn them into not just crowd-pleasing, but really compelling, engaging, and more importantly, memorable stories?
And it's not like anybody's going to steal his suit. I mean, who has legs that short and a body that long?
You know, it's just possible. I didn't leave the bag over here.
But in this type of environment where you've got an audience and you're standing up in front of a lot of people, you can't look for those micro expressions, but you can look for sitting on the edge of the seats, leaning forward, big eyes, you are beautiful. Now, if you deliver your information factually, bullet points and so on and so forth, the brain has to work extremely hard. So your brain is now trying to decode that information to turn it into something meaningful to you.
You want to put your audience into a situation just as quickly as you can.
Every time we say anything, it's recalling a memory. Would you agree? You're recalling a memory about something.
As every woman in the audience will tell you instantly, men cannot multitask.
And nor can women.
Nor can women!
Thank you very much.